Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to show you how I am going to make a modification to this strainer to do a strainer pour. Because I had an idea. I've done strainer pours before. This is a brand new one because the other one got cracked. So I went to the dollar store and I bought a new one. And I thought it would be interesting to see if it was raised up, what would make the difference in the pour. I haven't seen it done on YouTube. Doesn't mean it's not there. Just haven't seen it. And if you have a video that you did something similar, please put it in the comments down below because I'd really like to see what you did. So I've got my hot glue ready, I've got my various cups ready, and let's get down to it. Hi, my name's Tish. I am the artisan and owner of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. So today I had this idea, and now I gotta find my scissors. There it is. We don't want a mini pearl basket. If you don't know who Mini Pearl is, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is brand new, and they have little nibs on the bottom, but I wanted to lift it up a little bit further. And so I got these cups, which I have another idea for. These are like little shot glasses, disposable shot glasses. But I think, I'm gonna put it this way, but I think this one, its sides are kind of squishy. So I don't think this is going to be as supportive as I want it to be. I don't know. I wanted to compare the height of these two. These are shot cups that I got in the party department at the dollar store. But I wanted to see, there is a sizable difference between the two of them. One's about ½ inch shorter. And I think for this purpose, I'm going to go with the shorter one just to see, and then I can always put another cup in here like this to make it taller, but I can't make it shorter, so unless I cut the glass off and do something else. But anyway, I'm thinking I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun here. I'm going to make this as centered as I can before I push too hard. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to give it a nice firm push and count to 60 watermelons. So 1 watermelon, 2 watermelon, 3 watermelon. 58 watermelon, 59 watermelon, 60 watermelons. I think that's good. That should be stable enough. And it doesn't block any of the hole. I didn't block any of the holes. You see there? And I think that's a pretty good hold. I am going to let it cool completely before I use it. But that is how I did this and my thought process behind it, because now if I want it to bump up a little bit, oops, I can bump it up a little bit. See, that just bumps it up like 1/4 inch. But if I want to bump it up more, that bumps it up probably closer to 1 inch. Yeah. So before I really use it or anything, though, I'm going to let it cool because I don't want to ruin it, because it actually turned out pretty good. If you found value in this video, please click that like button. And if you like this video and like to see more videos just like these, please click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell. That'll let you know when we add new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.